How to buy Spotify Premium on iPhone 2023 step by step. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can buy your Spotify Premium on your iPhone. So to do this, obviously, if you come over to the Spotify app and over here you actually go into buying premium, let me show you the error it gives you. So as we can see, I have a premium over here. So you're going to go into your accounts section, and once you go into your accounts section, you can actually come over here and go to your account. And as you can see, currently I am a premium individual, but you can see the available plans and you can switch up to any of these. So you're going to click on premium individual and it's going to take you or redirect you to the proper Spotify page. But you do have to make sure to click on the premium individual. And once you do that, it's going to bring you here. It gives you the premium plans and it says that, these are the premium plans, the premium trials, etc. So, if you like what you see, you're simply going to go ahead and write Spotify by premium. Okay, you're just going to write that. And once you write that, it's going to bring you to Spotify Premium over here. And you can simply go ahead and log in with your account. And this is your subscription. So simply you're going to click on Get Started, log in with your actual account. Once you log in with your account, you're going to enter your details, payment details, and that is going to take you to buying your Spotify Premium. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.